What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Amer B from the 313 with another one. As you can tell from this mask, today is payday, baby. We're doing unboxing on one of my favorite games, Payday 3. Been waiting years for this bad boy. Finally came out, got the collector's edition. We're about to open it up. But as you can see, I collect all of the payday masks. It's Dallas, Houston, Chains, and Wolf. And then we got the special one right here, baby. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay. You know how I always do it. I'm always unprepared. One-handed like always. Okie dokie. So, return label, no need. Paper, no need. So, first things first, upon opening this is the game. It's weird. I thought the game should be. Shouldn't the game be in the box? Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. Payday 3. Alright. So, let's open this bad boy up first. Alright. That's the mask right there. You also get it in game. PS5 version. Okay, here's all the bonuses. We'll deal with that later. That's the disc. Why is it blurry? Come on, Cam. Come on. Alright, it's too blurry for some reason. This is the worst part of it. Let's get this bad boy off the box. Oh, 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 oh. Almost took down my RC truck, man. Alright. So this is sealed with plastic. It's a really nice box. Black and gold, my favorite color theme. Look at that. See? Matches all my black and gold stuff. I love it. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Here's the books. Black and gold. Kind of looks like the Mortal Kombat 11 Collector's Edition box. Black and gold with the scorpion. And right when you open this beast, look what you get. Look who's looking right at you. Man, this is a sharp looking mask. It looks a lot better in person, I could tell you that much. Yeah, get that out of there. That's ugly. Alright. Oh, man, this is a nice quality right here. As you can see, it's wearable. And it's nice. You know what? I'm going to try it on for you guys. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's take off those. This mask right here is from the first Payday game, which was, what, 15 years ago? Payday 2? No, 10 years ago. Man, I got a big nose. But hey, this is comfy. Not bad. See, this didn't come sealed. I would have left it sealed like I do with my other masks, but it's okay. So here it is. Got gold teeth. I like this. What do you think, guys? Not bad, huh? There you have it. Okay. Now we got this bad boy. We're going to put him up there with these guys. Let's put him on the side for now. And I believe, yes, it comes with a nice little stand. Yeah, okay. Comes with a nice stand for him. So I assume you just do this and there we go. Look at that. He's right on the stand. Put him right up there and he'll be golden. Then you get this little envelope here. And let's open her up. I guess that's their starbreeze. Yeah. All right, it's a letter. Looks like it's a letter typed. Let's see what it says, guys. From the desk of Collectors Supreme Collectors Club headquarters, the year of Payday 3. Dear collector, welcome to the most prestigious version of Payday 3 on the market. We want to convey our sincere and heartfelt gratitude to all of you who have chosen to put your whatever. I don't want to hear about all that baloney. You got my money. And here's some stickers, which I'm never going to use. Or I probably will. Probably slap them up on my DJ booth. Or something like that. You guys want me to... Let me open it up. Might as well. Might as well do a full detailed unboxing here. Alright. First page. I'll probably give these to my kid. He loves stickers. Here's another one. Here's another hot doggy. Gensec CTV surveillance from the game. Okay. Oops, dropped one. Collectors Club. I like that one because I am a collector. A big one. A big collector. And here's some Payday 3 stickers. All right, and that's that. Then, last but not least, I believe. Yeah, last but not least. Oh, wait. Is there a secret? Is there a secret? Hold on. No secret. All right. A deck of black and gold cards. Looks like a pack of cigarettes. All right. Man, he's nice. That's a nice looking mask. I'm trying to open these. Come on. All right. I'll just clean this up later. Going through some organizing here. Haven't had the time to finish organizing my man cave. All right. Here's a deck of cards. Very nice quality. Just the front of them. Nice. There you have it, guys. Payday 3 Collector's Edition. I don't know what I did with the game. I put it somewhere. Oh, here it is. It's time to install it and put it in and start playing. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.